Okay, example 3. Show that the relation implicitly defines a solution to the non-linear equation on the interval 2, 8. Okay, and so they're talking about this relation. We have a y squared minus x to the third plus 8 equals 0. Okay, and they're saying to show that this is a solution to this. All right, and so the first thing we need to do, first we need to put this in terms of y. All right, y of x, right? Oh, there we go. Okay, so y squared equals x to the third minus 8. Of course, I just added, subtracted, and then y is going to be plus or minus the square root of the cubed root, or x cubed minus 8. Okay, and so to show that this is an implicit solution, we ask ourselves, do both plus square root of x cubed minus 8 and the negative square root of x cubed minus 8 satisfy? Do they both make this true? And so that's what we're going to go ahead and check. And that's what you should go check right now. So if we were in class, I would pause right now and make you substitute these in. All right? So you should pause and then come back. So let's check y1, and we'll define y1 as positive x to the third minus 8. y2 we'll define as the negative. We're going to need to find their first derivatives. So y1 prime is going to be 1/2 negative 1/2 all times 3x squared. y2 prime is going to be negative 1/2 3x squared. Okay, how did I do that? Think about it for a second. Right, this is actually just this part raised to the 1/2. So then 1/2 comes out front, I subtract 1, and then my chain rule says that I have to do the derivative of the inside, so that's where my 3x squared came from. And we just do the same thing over here, we just have a negative though because of this negative sign here. Okay, let me go ahead and clean this up a little bit. We get 3x squared over 2 times, it's actually going to be in the denominator, right? Square root of x to the third minus 8. Over here, let's clean this up. We get negative 1/2. 3x squared is on the top, and then on the bottom again we have x to the third minus 8, the square root. Oh, I know my handwriting. That's why I should use pencil. Let me rewrite that all together over on the side. We get 3x squared over 2 with x third minus 8 in the denominator. There we go. That's a little bit better. A little bit better, chicken scratch. Okay, and so now we're just going to go ahead and plug these in and see if they're solutions. So I have dy dx, that's right here, is supposed to equal over 2 square root of x to the third minus 8 is supposed to equal 3x squared over 2 times the original. Yay! Right? We've just plugged in here. The first derivative equals 3x squared over 2 times the original, There we go. And if we do that over here, we're going to get dy dx equals 3x squared over 2y, and our dy dx equals negative 3x squared over 2 square root of x to the third minus 8 equals 3x squared 2 times the original. The original is negative, so that makes this whole thing negative, and we get x third minus 8. And checkity check. Therefore, y squared minus x third plus 8 equals 0 is an implicit solution.